Peace out, YouTube. It's your boy John Shaft. I'd like to welcome you guys back to another episode of my C7 Corvette channel. Looks like I had to come back out here and make a second video. I was just live and not realizing that the internet connection was kind of bad, and so the video didn't take. So yeah, go figure. I had to go back out here again and redo this whole video. But anyway, we're live today at the dealership, and I just wanted to see what C8s has come in this week. So I had to come out and redo this all over again. Kind of hate it, but at least I didn't get out here in vain, and at least I call it, and I ain't nothing more than do some work, man, and find out it didn't take a lot of effort and time to make these videos. And so when you come out here and you go live, sometimes the connection is not good and you don't even know it. And you went live and spent 20, 30 minutes out here just to find out the video didn't take. So I have to redo today's video. And let's see here. Well, we had a couple of them that has come in, so I'm going to turn this camera around, let you guys take a look at what I'm looking at. This is a 3LT Z51. A natural dip interior. And you can usually tell the 3LT is a great upgraded interior. This particular vehicle is $97,025, and she has $19,480 in options upgrade. And you can tell it's a 3LT because the natural depth it's usually one color, is not two-tone. That's a really pretty color. This natural depth. This is the color I would want for my vehicle if I was to order one today. And again, this is a Z51 model. I don't know why they just don't go ahead and just put down on the sales paper. It's $100,000. And all this over 97,000, 98, 99.9. I mean, who you fooling? You know, out the door, man, when they come to taxes and all, and find out you're gonna be paying over $100,000 for this vehicle. Well, we know that. And she has a real Sparta install, which is gonna be dealer install. So I ain't gonna tell you how much they gonna charge you for installing a Sparta that come with the vehicle. And that's some way that, I mean, they can charge as much as $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 just to install the Sparta on these vehicles. So you know, you guys have to watch out for that kind of stuff too. And like I said, I was live just a few minutes ago. A couple of minutes ago, I was live and went to Starbucks and get me some breakfast. We played the video and found out the video only had like 2 or 3 minutes of footage. When I made about 25 minutes of footage. Sometimes when you go live, the internet connection is not good, and you really don't know it. You try to watch it, and in doing so, it said it had good connection, but obviously it wasn't. So I had to come back out here, and we do this video. I don't want you guys to miss out on anything concerning the Corvette. Another thing about owning a Corvette is it's a community. And so I try to bring you guys great news, great footage, and whatnots about the C8 Corvettes. Not only the C8 Corvettes, but the older model as well. I haven't had a chance yet to get out to the Corvette Museum, but hopefully before the year out, I'll be able to make that sucker.